Hello everybody, let us deal with a very interesting problem of gravitation. आपने हर बार जब कोई क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं ग्रेविटेशन का, तो जनरली द प्रॉब्लम व्हिच इज आस्क्ड इज बेस्ड ऑन हीलियोसेंट्रिक रेफरेंस फ्रेम. या आपने कह सकते हैं कि आमतौर पर जो क्वेश्चन आता है वो अर्थ को सेंटर मान करके आता है कि अर्थ के अबाउट एक सैटेलाइट कैसे मूव कर रहा है, मून कैसे मूव कर रहा है एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट व्हाट अबाउट अ क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस? द क्वेश्चन इज स्टेटिंग both Earth and Moon are subject to the gravitational force of the Sun as observed from the Sun. The orbit of the Moon will be A. elliptical, B. will not be strictly elliptical because the total gravitational force on it is not central. C. is not elliptical but will necessarily be a closed curve. And D. deviates considerably from being elliptical due to the influence of other planets other than the Earth. So I would like to tell you that you can give a pause to this video, answer this question, and then continue watching. So let's get started. How to think this particular problem, where the problem is asking us the trajectory of Moon as viewed by the Sun. So there are two important factors which will help us govern the trajectory according to the Sun. The first parameter is the way Earth and Moon moves. They move about their common center of mass. That is, we can say that the Earth-Moon system orbits the Sun. It's not just the Moon is orbiting the Sun or the Earth is orbiting the Sun, but considering the distance, it is Earth-Moon center of mass which is orbiting the Sun, and that is called as pericenter. So this is the first point which must be kept in mind. The next point which we say is the gravitational influence. By means of gravitational influence, I mean to say the total force which the Moon is acted upon is not just the Sun's gravitational pull, but it is also the Earth's gravitational pull. Now, Sun's gravitational pull on the Moon is greater than Earth's gravitational pull, and as a result of which, the net force which we calculate is not exactly central in nature, and the Moon moves in a way that it forms a concave curve while pointing at the Sun and moving in a trajectory as shown. So now, if we look at the conclusive part, we can say that the alternative B is clear or B is correct. That is, the trajectory of the Moon will not be strictly elliptical because the total gravitational force on it is not central. So considering all the analysis which we have done, we can say that the trajectory of the Moon will not be elliptical, but it will be slightly away from elliptical path. It is because the net force on the Moon is not the central force, but slightly deviated from the central force. I hope you like the representation, the video. If you like the content, continue watching us. Please like, share and subscribe.